Hello and welcome back to another episode of ARN Newsmakers. I'm Martin Romjue, managing editor of Auto Rental News, and joining me is Jade Kang, Chief Product Officer of Orcar. Jade, welcome.
Thank you, Martin.
So Orcar exhibited for the first time at the International Car Rental Show last year, and we wanted to follow up with Jade here about the whole concept of an AI-driven car rental company. So, Jay, just to start us off, tell us just generally about how this originated and how the concept works for an AI-driven rental car company.
Sure. So at Orcar, we saw the identity checks and vehicle assignment, as well as the pricing and pickup verification and custom support where should be all handled not manually, while others were handling most of them manually. um, because they were very repeatable and role-based. So we built all of these under Orcar with AI at the center of our operation, not on top of them or around us.
So, when we hear about companies using AI tools, what is the difference between that and having a truly AI-based car rental company?
So the main difference is whether AI assists people or replaces manual decisions entirely. So
Hmm.
many rental companies use AI tools for to take a picture of certain documents or chatbots to help their customers get answers for basic questions. But most of companies where people work still decide which car goes to which customer, handle exceptions, and resolve most changes. But at Orcar, AI makes most of the decisions directly.
Hmm. Now, did Orcar develop its own patented or proprietary system?
Yeah, we built our own. Obviously, we use like an OpenAI or Grok as a API
Hmm.
for the decision making trees or DB side using those technologies. But all of our AI products and the enterprise resource planning products are made by us.
Hmm. So in observing how this AI-driven business model has applied to actual operations, what efficiencies and time savings have you seen?
So a lot of the efficiency came from removing manual coordination. So first, identity and pickup, like customers complete ID verification digitally as when they are making the reservation, and license plate scanning confirms the vehicle at their pickup and return. So there's no counter for us, no paperwork, and no waiting. Second is the fleet allocation among our fleet partners. So our AI continuously matches bookings to specific vehicles based on the fleet utilization of our all of our fleet owners and the operating cost and target profit margin that are set by us.
Hmm. And just to clarify, do you own vehicles or is it more a matter of contracting or making arrangements with other vehicle providers?
So Orcar's business model is we don't own any vehicles
Hmm.
under our name, but our B2B partners who run their business as a car rental operators in South Korea, and they normally operate their business with Koreans.
Do you have to do any educating to persuade car renters to try this out as opposed to a traditional rental counter?
Um, so in Korea, it's common for renters to be rejected at the counter because of ID and payment issues, and that happens about like 2 out of 10
Hmm.
for around among like international travelers. So with Orcar, to show that that will never happen, what we did is we maintained a kiosk at our local partners, and then for foreigners who come to us, we removed the kiosk. And some travelers who booked through us, they were able to see the speed that was actually like much faster than even Koreans. And also sometimes like other international travelers who came to Orcar without booking to us, they saw that they don't have to go through all this like rejection or like a slow customer service when they experienced that with Orcar, everything went fast.
Well, I know we could get into a lot more. You'll be presenting at the International Car Rental Show in May in Dallas, and I know we'll certainly get more into some of these topics. So,
Mhm.
thanks a lot for joining us on
Thank you so
ARN
much.
Newsmakers, and we'll see you again here soon.
Thank you, Martin.